Here is another tutorial on how to make your inseam pocket, that is to sew your pocket inside your trouser. To cut your pocket, you measure 7 inches horizontally, you measure 14 inches vertically like this, then you mark it with your chalk. You use your scissors to cut it out, then use that to measure exactly as the one you cut out. Then you cut everything out. Now you have your two piece. You open it up like this, then you place front facing front, then you corner it like this. You use your scissors to just make a curve this way. You make a curve like this. As I'm making this curve, then you now use your tape to measure 8 inches, then you mark there. Then you are now going to make a knot of like 0.5 inches. Then you make a knot there, you see it. Then we now place it aside. This is our pocket which we cut out. This is where we made a knot. So like this, we are going to be sewing the front. This is the front, so you're going to be sewing the front like this. You sew the front. This is the front I'm sewing. Then you lock it. Then you now turn it. You're going to turn the front inside. You see, this is the back now. This is the back. Then you now sew it. You now sew it this way. As in the video, you sew it. After sewing it, then you do the same to the other pocket. This is the other pocket. If you are making a trouser, then this is our trouser that will be attaching the pockets. You are going to measure 11.5 inches. Then at that exact 11.5 inches, you are going to make a knot of like 0.5 inches knot. Here is the knot of 0.5 inches. Then you now place your pockets directly to that knot, the knot on the pocket together with the knot on the trouser. Then this is it. You open the trouser like this. Then you turn your pocket this way. Then you place it. Just be looking on the video. You place it this way. Then you sew your pocket. Here we want to attach our pocket. Just the way I place it and I open it, both the pocket and the trouser. Then you now turn it the way I did in the video. If you did not understand, please rewatch the video, you will understand. You see, we are done with that one. We are going to sew the upper one like this. Sew the upper one. Okay, this is it. After sewing the upper one, here is our pocket. We have attached our pocket to the trouser. Okay, now we are going to lock the pocket. Firstly you come down the down part of the pocket, then you lock it immediately at that 0.5 inches where you make that noise. Then you're going to make a lock there. Then you measure 7 inches from that lock you made. Then you lock that too. That is 7 inches upward. Then you make your knot. Then you turn your trouser this way. Then you sew it upward to join the upper part of the trouser. So that is it. If you want to insert a pocket on your trouser, this is how you are going to make or insert pocket on your trouser. Then hope this video is helpful. Thank you.